The Clarke CIS9 electric impact wrench makes an excellent addition to any worksite or workshop. It has a huge 450 Newton meters of torque, coupled with both forward and reverse drives. With this huge amount of power, even stuck fast nuts and bolts can be removed with this impressive tool. It's the perfect electric impact wrench for steel erectors, fitters, engineers and garage mechanics, and can drive bolt sizes all the way up to M12. The CIS9 is ready to go straight out of the box, coming supplied complete with 17, 19, 21 and 22 mm impact sockets. An ideal accessory kit is this CIS932 32-piece AF and metric impact socket set. With its powerful 1000 watt motor and 3,400 impacts per minute, the CIS9 makes light work of a wide range of applications. Supplied complete with its own molded carry case and 4 of the most common socket sizes, the CIS9 impact wrench will give you many years of service.